What's going on, everybody? So been a while. Still haven't gotten the car painted. I mean, I went and got exhaust done and did Y pipe to 3-inch out, and that's about it. I mean, I got the tack wired up, I got the speedometer wired in, and right now I'm just about to put the camber kit in so I can get the wheels a little bit straighter. But other than that, I mean, I haven't got paint. I was trying to figure out whether I'm going to paint it myself or pay somebody to paint it, and right now it's looking like it's going to cost the same price. So I'm thinking I can pay somebody to paint it, and then later on get an electrician to come out and wire up my air compressor for more stuff. But we'll see, and I might take this thing out for a little test run so you guys can see how she sounds with the new exhaust, see how she's driving. But I'll talk at you later. Bye.
Good job, buddy.
Oh, what's going on? So I took her to the track, and so I had a little bit of overheating issues. I didn't get much video, and I mean, she ran good. I mean, she slid pretty nice. So we'll see what happens. I think I'm gonna put a lower thermostat, and then maybe try to reroute the coolant lines because one of them's a little tight. So we'll see what she does. I mean, she ran good. I'm happy with it. So we'll see in the coming future. I should be going to the track hopefully in the next couple weekends. And I mean, she's doing good. She's killing it. So you guys can check out them videos.